Let me ask you something. Have you ever thought changing your car's oil was a simple, foolproof task? Because if you have, you might be unknowingly setting your engine on fire. Not literally, but close. You see, oil is your engine's lifeblood. But do one thing wrong, even just one bead, and it can lead to a slow, silent death of your engine. And what's worse, most people doing oil changes at home are making multiple mistakes without realizing it. Today, we're going to reveal 19 oil change mistakes that might be quietly destroying your engine from the inside out. And trust me, even the most experienced drivers are guilty of at least one of these. So buckle up, and let's make sure you never make these again. Mistake number 1, using the wrong type of oil. Just because a bottle says synthetic doesn't mean it's right for your engine. Viscosity matters. Your engine might need 5W30, but you're pouring in 10W40 because it's cheaper or on sale. That slight difference can affect lubrication, cold starts, and overall engine wear. Mistake number 2, not changing the oil filter. You wouldn't drink water through a moldy filter, right? So why let dirty oil circulate through a clogged filter? Always swap out the oil filter with each change. Mistake number 3, over-tightening the drain plug. Cranking that bolt like it's holding your car together is a fast track to a stripped oil pan, and honestly, an expensive repair. Mistake number 4, not tightening the drain plug enough. On the flip side, leaving it loose means you'll have a nice puddle of oil under your car and possibly a seized engine. Mistake number 5, forgetting the drain plug washer. That tiny washer prevents leaks. Reusing an old flattened one or forgetting it entirely can lead to slow leaks that quietly damage your engine over time. Mistake number 6, changing oil too often. Yes, too often. Some people change their oil every 2,000 miles out of paranoia. Not only is this wasteful, but you're not giving your oil additives time to work effectively. Mistake number 7, not changing oil frequently enough. And then there's the opposite camp. They stretch it to over 10,000 miles with cheap oil and honestly, wonder why the engine starts knocking. Mistake number 8, topping off instead of changing. Oil doesn't just burn off, it collects dirt, metal shavings, and carbon. Topping off doesn't fix that. You're just diluting contaminated oil. Mistake number 9, using low-quality oil. All oils are not created equal. Bargain bin brands might not meet proper API or OEM specs, and yeah, that could cost you your engine. Mistake number 10, changing oil when the engine is cold. Cold oil doesn't drain properly, you know? It leaves sludge behind. Always warm up your engine a bit before draining. Not hot, just warm. Mistake number 11, not cleaning the drain plug. That plug picks up debris and metal shavings. If you screw it back in without cleaning, guess what goes back into the engine? Mistake number 12, spilling oil on components. Accidentally dripping oil onto belts or sensors might seem harmless, until your belt starts slipping or your check engine light comes on. Mistake number 13, not filling to the correct level. If it's too low, you don't have enough lubrication. If it's too high, you could get foaming and pressure buildup. So, use the dipstick and, check it twice. Mistake number 14, not letting old oil drain completely. Rushing the process means dirty oil gets mixed with the new. Be patient, let it fully drain, at least 10 to 15 minutes. Mistake number 15, using the wrong oil filter. Filters really do vary by engine. The wrong size, wrong thread, or wrong bypass valve, and suddenly, your oil isn't filtering correctly. Mistake number 16 is not pre-filling the oil filter when it's actually possible. Some filters are installed vertically, and you can pre-fill them with oil. This helps you avoid a dry start, where the engine runs for a few seconds without proper oil flow. Mistake number 17 is forgetting to lubricate the filter gasket. A dry gasket can stick or even tear, which makes the next removal a total nightmare. Or even worse, it could cause a leak. Mistake number 18 is not resetting the oil change light. Now, it might sound minor, but this actually messes up your service schedule. You'll probably forget when the next oil change is due. Mistake number 19, not checking for leaks after the change. So, you want to start the engine, let it run for a bit, and then look underneath. Even just one small drip can become a big problem pretty fast. Here's the truth. Your car doesn't need fancy modifications or expensive upgrades to last a long time. It just needs proper care. Oil changes are one of the simplest and most crucial maintenance tasks, but only if done right. Most engines don't die from big crashes. They die from small, repeated mistakes that could have been easily avoided. So if you've made any of these errors in the past, it's okay, now you know, and knowledge is horsepower. Do your car a favor. The next time you grab that wrench and a bottle of oil, do it right. Your engine will thank you, mile after mile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Gear Specs. And tell us in the comments, which of these mistakes have you been guilty of? Or which one shocked you the most? Drive smart. Drive